big ones over large ones, so we're gonna set those on the floor.
Okay.
You got a great setup here.
Well, yeah, and it's gonna get cool.
Nice.
Get the AC pumping for them.